Welcome back, my YouTube fam. This is C on a mission. I went up to the Harrisburg Camp and RV show, and it was great. So I figured I'll do a vlog of what I got to see. Now, what I'm showing you right now is just me kind of walking around because there were other vendors out there selling some good products, some food, some RV related things, a little bit of everything. They had some sweet, they had a stand. Amish has a stand with all these sweets, and I was so tempted, but I didn't have any, I didn't buy any. I was good, but that's not what this video is about. So, but this was a big RV show, so it was great. And you may ask, why is she at RV show? She already has one. But the RV show also offers you a opportunity to do some of the seminars and stuff like that. But what I'm showing you right now is some of the luxury RVs. Do you see that price tag? Do you see that price tag? Now, mine didn't cost that much because these are luxury. So I thought these were interesting to see. I wanted to see what some of the luxury RVs look like too. But when I saw some of these inside, like this one had a bathroom and a half. What I'm showing you right now is the half bathroom, full size refrigerator, which I don't need. But these were like houses on wheels. I'm telling you, they were gorgeous, but man, oh man, they're like a freaking mortgage. Now, this is a whole bathroom. You would not, if you look at this, you would not know you were in a RV. You would thought you were in someone's luxury house. But these type of vehicles are really geared towards people who are like saying, enough of the house, and I'm going in an RV full time, and I want all the bells and whistles. Like this one, this has a lifetime warranty. Most of these ones had lifetime warranty, but these were huge. Now look at that. This has a TV and a fireplace, like a dining room table. I'm telling you, when you look at these, like, am I in a house? I'm in a vehicle. But the price tags, look at this price tag. Oh, it went too fast. You didn't need to say it anyway. But these were gorgeous. Now, I just wanted to kind of show you some of the luxury ones. Now, mine is definitely not on the luxury side. And look what I'm getting ready to open up. This is in an RV. Look what I'm about to open. Hey, washer and dryer. I'm like, what? A washer and dryer. Now, mine don't have a washer and dryer. But I thought it was something else going on because this vehicle was long. But that was the end of it. I mean, the other door, what I'm trying to open up, I'm like, what's behind that? It was just a closet. But this thing was close to, I think it was 280K. So I'm like, okay, you actually need to be offering a little bit more than that. Now, you see how long some of these vehicles are? Now, mine is only 31 feet. Some of these vehicles are like 38 feet, 41 feet. And mine is an A-class. I'm going to show you right now. This right here is 38 feet. And this is considered a C-class. Some of the C-classes are huge. Look at that price tag. Look at that price tag. But look at this one. Another one. This one was 42 feet long. I looked at it, I'm like, good Lord, trying to drive that? But wait until I show you inside this vehicle. The price tag on this vehicle, it started at $300, and they dropped it down to I think it was like $219. I think I'll show you in the next clip. But look at this when you look inside. This thing, I mean, all I can say is the price tags get you, but you would thought they would open. Now, this is what it looks like when the slide is in. On some of these vehicles, mine is almost like the same. When your slide is in, you have about that much walking space. which I was surprised they didn't have a slide out so you can really get the chance to see how this vehicle looks. But I guess they also wanted to show you what it looks like with a slide in. So this is one of the vehicles that had the slide in. So I mean, you can walk around, but it's not meant to really use with the slide in. And I'm showing you the bathroom, which I'm going to show you one. The bathroom had 2 sinks. It was so large, and I think that vehicle geared around having a person who really wants a big bathroom. But you cannot say these vehicles are gorgeous. Look at the woodwork that they have on some of these vehicles. Now, what I would say is this is another one that was like 42 feet long. Now, I think I'm going to show you the price tag on this one. Yeah, look at that. Look at that price tag. I said, ouch. Look inside. Look inside. I'm like, look good. I'm like, oh, lottery. It's time for me to win. These, again, gorgeous fireplace at the bottom. Look at that TV. If you were inside, you would not know you were in a RV. But this is what everyone's doing now. People are going into RV full time. Now this one I didn't like to set up because the shower was outside the bathroom. Who wants to have to step out of the shower to go into the bathroom? So I didn't like this makeup of this RV. I mean, pretty, but didn't like the makeup of it because I want my shower to be in the bathroom, and that's how my vehicle is. But you know, every floor plan is a little different. So really, it's a floor plan out there for everyone. I think this one also, and I think I'm going to show you, which is what I'm getting ready to do. This also had a washer and dryer in the closet too. Now, yep, there's the washer and dryer. A home away from home. And these are not like small, like teeny apartment washers and dryers. These are not necessarily full size big, but they're good size washers and dryers. But again, so pretty. The woodwork, the cabinets. So you have a lot of room, because I even have a lot of cabinet and floor plan on mine. This is a front of a new one. Now these are some of the, I wouldn't call it later older models, but this is a 2019 one. But this is under the maker that my vehicle, which is Thor, and this is another one of their A-class vehicles. So, and look at that gorgeous fireplace. I kind of wish I had a fireplace, but no, because most of the time I'm gonna be in somewhere that's hot that doesn't need a fireplace. But Thor motor coaches or motor homes are almost the same makeup to a certain point. It's just a matter, like again, I say the floor plan varies, and whatever you're looking for, I guarantee they make it out there. This is more of a digital one. You can kind of see some of the digital. Now mine is not digital. This has like a 2 stove, have an induction oven and countertop. So these are really, that's why they call them luxury vehicles. This is the bathroom I wanted to show you. Look at this bathroom. It has 2 doors. That's a bathroom. It has 2 sinks. I looked at it and said, what? Look how long. That is almost half the vehicle length of bathroom. And it's like, let me close this door and walk right through to the other door. It has 2 doors to it. I'm like, and I love the dark wood on this one. I kind of wish mine had the dark wood, but hey, I got one right for me. But I guarantee you, do you think you can live in one of these? I bet you could. First went in, I'm like, oh, I just want a C class. But when they showed me A class, I'm like, uh-oh, she never showed me that. But I'm telling you, these RVs, and this is another, I think this is another A class one. This is also from the same maker, because my chairs is the color of the chairs and everything are about the same color, which most of Thor's is the same color. This one has the bed down in the front. I also have a bed in the front like that. So they're make of their A classes are about the same. Now, like I said, I don't have a full-size refrigerator, which I don't need a full-size refrigerator. But again, this one is not, I think this one's a little bit on the price lower range, but it's still considered a luxury one. But do you think you can live in one? Is this giving you any ideas? Look how wide the floor plan when the slide is out. I bet after looking at some of these, you're like, I think I can do this. RV might be in your future. You just never know. Telling you, sometimes you be thinking, oh, not for me. Then you look at some of these, and that's why I love going to the RV show. You get to see new things, get to meet new people, see people like minds. I'm just showing you a little bit more of the vendors that were out there, and everybody got to sell their little things here and there. I couldn't take pictures of any of the shows, but enjoy.